Funny how the men people call girly are the same men women can't stop staring at. For years, Korean men have been teased. Too soft, too clean, too pretty, too feminine. And yet, they dominate the female gaze. Women replay K-dramas. Women obsess over K-idols. Women describe them as dangerous, calm, mafia-like, emotionally powerful. So what's really going on? Because this isn't about race. It's not about makeup. And it's definitely not about being weak. This is about a different form of masculine power. Let's break down the Korean glow and what actually makes it attractive. People confuse soft appearance with weak energy. Here's the first mistake men make. They think masculinity must look rough to be real. Messy grooming, zero skincare, aggressive behavior, loud confidence. Korean men flip the script. They look clean, controlled, polished, but their energy is calm, dominant, and self-possessed. Women don't confuse softness with weakness. Men do. The Korean glow is built, not genetic. Let's kill the biggest myth. This isn't Korean genes, it's lifestyle discipline. Skincare is routine, not insecurity. Diet is clean, not careless. Grooming is intentional, not lazy. Fashion is fitted, not sloppy. When your skin is clear, hair is sharp, and body is healthy, your face automatically looks better. Glow is maintenance, not luck. Female gaze, not equal to male gaze. Men judge attraction through dominance and intimidation. Women judge attraction through presence, calm, and emotional safety mixed with mystery. That's why Korean men win the female gaze. They don't try to overpower rooms. They control themselves. Calm eye contact, measured speech, relaxed posture. That restraint feels confident, not aggressive. Mafia Korean men energy. Ever notice this? Women don't just like cute Korean men. They like quiet confidence, cold composure, emotional control, sharp style, selective attention. That's not soft. That's controlled masculinity. The mafia vibe comes from speaking less, moving slower, reacting minimally, setting boundaries calmly. Power doesn't shout, it watches. Skincare is not feminine. Neglect is lazy. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Clear skin is attractive. Healthy hair is attractive. Good hygiene is attractive. Korean men don't call self-care gay or girly. They call it basic respect for the body. Women notice effort. Neglect doesn't look masculine, it looks careless. Style that creates character, not noise. Korean fashion works because it's intentional. Clean silhouettes, consistent colors, proper fit, sharp details. They don't dress to flex, they dress to express identity. When style matches personality, people stop judging features, they feel a character. That's why some Korean men look like anime or manga characters. Not because they're fake, because they're cohesive. Attitude greater than face structure. This is critical. Many Korean men aren't traditionally handsome, but they are. Comfortable in themselves, emotionally grounded, unrushed, self-respecting. They don't beg for attention, they allow it. That's magnetic. Quiet confidence is more attractive than loud dominance. Western masculinity teaches, be louder, be tougher, be aggressive. Korean masculinity shows, be composed, be disciplined, be unreadable. Women feel safer around men who don't explode emotionally. Control is attractive. What you can adapt, no matter where you're from. You don't need to become Korean, but you can adopt the principles. Take skincare seriously. Eat clean more often. Groom consistently. Dress with intention. Speak less, observe more. Control emotions publicly. Move calmly. Respect your appearance. These traits translate globally. The real reason they win. Korean men don't perform masculinity, they live in it, quietly. They don't prove themselves, they don't chase validation, they don't apologize for being refined. And refinement feels rare. That's why women notice. Conclusion. The Korean glow isn't about being soft, it's about being controlled. It's not about being pretty, it's about being put together. And it's not about copying a culture, it's about adopting discipline, calm, and self-respect. That's what the female gaze responds to. Not noise, not chaos, but quiet confidence with intention.